Charles ass is 30. We got on skinny jeans too. He's 30 years old. Four of those. That shit bogus. Oh, this is how you put it together. How you put that shit together? You got a Bon Jovi fucking shirt on. This bitch, it's a what's name? Vintage. This bitch is like $100. But I bought for like what? 10? Like $100. From the one stores in the Yeah, look, bro. I had on skinny jeans for this fit. That's skinny jeans on, so the bitches don't look right. That shirt tough. The skinny jeans though, I don't want to have the bitches look no more. I'm missing skinny jeans, skinny fucking jeans. I don't like how them bitches look. I can't do skinny jeans. That's what I can see what. Right here, look. I had on some dress pants. Bitches are skinnier. These bitches are skinny jeans, kind of.
Are you okay?
These bitches is kind of skinny too. But these are regular fit jeans. No, yeah, you cannot wear skinny jeans and cowboy boots. You wear regular fit jeans. Yeah. Go over your boots. These are some beefy ass pants. These are parachute pants. Those some pants I thrifted. Bro, you know I got your sweater, bro? What sweater? That one, bro. The brown? Yeah. Where the fuck you got my sweater? I don't know. Where is it? At the house. I've been looking for my sweater. No. Oh, no, I had no idea when I went to the interview. How the fuck did you have my sweater on? You went to a damn interview. And then I forgot. I had it in the car. Did he say your ass? Yeah. Yo, that's just get thrown in the trail category. His ass was gonna get thrown in the trail our cousin category. That was real. Swear be coming to the crib to make sure he know what he's supposed to be doing. Yes. Is he on parole for that case in Atlanta? That when his girl called the police on him. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. I thought. His ass a felon. He can't get a janitor job. He can't get a security job. I don't think he can work at McDonald's. You can? Okay, I'm gonna say. But you can't do security, none of that. You can't do no. Scamming and scamming. You can't get no passport, no type of ID. And his girl called police one time. No, this one get big on it. We had that shit. He was in Atlanta. That shit threw me off. Like, what? That nigga say. That nigga. What? Still in wallet. Oh niggas. He thought that wasn't gonna land him in his plane. You got smooth with that. I just feel like. Do what you need. You need gloves. You need a scanner. Don't even do that shit. Just bump somebody. Oop. Now you just got all their car information. Yeah, I don't know why it's wrong. Let's turn it down. Use the steering wheel. Steering wheel, no way. No, I already raised the window. No, that's big glass, boy. Why the fuck we can't do mine like that? We could. Your shit would be easier, though. Because you got ceramic. This peels, dude. I got it. What's that corner? Fuck that corner, honestly. The fucking window. You can't even see over there. For you'll have to be doing one of these looking over there. It's smart though. Should not shit out. Like right for the car meet. Yeah, because on Sunday I get up at 2. But what's I gonna be heading at? What's that best? I forgot. You see? I'm look what Mo just posted. Being the town Mo. He said they been from 5 to 9. So 5 to end of the night basically. 5 to 1 a.m. So I mean we should all meet up around like 3 o'clock or some shit. They go out work today? Oh shit, I'm tweaking. So now while I work, I can't even go. Now I work at 5. Damn. And get off at 11. Yeah, I can't go there. So I'm tweaking. Dude, what? You ain't pop up to the left. I'm on Saturday. You can do some Saturday. That's tomorrow. Saturday. Cause tomorrow, right? I got a double tomorrow. I work at 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. I'll be at work all damn day. Picking up a couple hours. He ain't got 10 right here. Like, start the car. I'll play some music. Hey, hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna call you back, okay, Gorge?
Okay.